Welcome to the project demonstration of retrieval of students' data by using biometrics. So here we are using Raspberry Pi 3B A plus model, and which was interfaced between the two inputs and one output. So the input is Pi camera and another input is biometric RP305 fingerprint module biometric, and the output module is LCD display, will show the status of whether access granted or denied. And also we are using two LEDs for showing the access and denied, and there are two control buttons for each and every input. So the Pi camera input, when we press and hold this E button, so it will enroll the new faces for recognition, and S for search. Same for fingerprint also, E for enroll new fingerprints and S for search. And we are going to get the same student data after the face recognition or fingerprint recognition, and that will be displayed on the HTML page directly. So this HTML page defaultly refresh by itself, no need of refresh it manually. So automatically it will auto refresh for every 3 seconds. So if is there any changes, access granted displayed on the LCD display, same will be uploaded to the HTML page by using the inbuilt Wi-Fi module. So we have interfaced these two control buttons for face recognition are interfaced at the 5 and 6 of our Pi 3, and these two control buttons for fingerprint enroll and search interface at the 23 and 24, and these two LEDs are at 19 and 26, and Pi camera at Pi camera slot, fingerprint module at 14 and 15 hardware TX/RX pins, and LCD at pin number 9, 10, 11, 17, 27, 22 pins. So these are the interfacing connections from the input and output modules to the Pi 3, and this is the breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply from Raspberry Pi to the input and output modules, as Raspberry Pi consists of only two sections of 5 volt availability. So in order to distribute that to the input output modules, we are making use of this as a breadboard. Parallelly we are distributing that throughout the board for the input output modules. So here, before demonstration of the project, we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. Go to hotspot settings and change the hotspot name to major project without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 123456789. So after this, and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After these three settings on the hotspot, and then on the power supply to the Pi 3. So it will take around of 30 to 40 seconds for booting. On successfully booting, these two LEDs will on and off 2 times, and the LCD display will show the welcome message, and then it will ask for the inputs, whether you want to go with the fingerprint recognition or face recognition. And one more thing, we can format the whole data set also. For that, for face data erase, hold these two buttons at a time, press and hold. For fingerprint erase the whole data, these two buttons, press and hold. Right, so now it got initialized. So we can see the one device is connected in your mobile phone, right? Then we need to before that we need to install a network analyzer application in the Play Store. Go to that and do LAN scan, do the scan, just to get the IP address of our Raspberry Pi. One IP address is your mobile phone, another is our connected device. So copy and paste. At the end write 5000. So copy paste, and at the end 5000. There you get the previous one. So this is a previously access granted person, the last image. And now, so if I am sitting in front of that, and as for such, while pressing this, should take care of So you should have the most lighting on your face. Right. So now access granted, and in the web page we can see the next person uploading. I think it's first one, second, yeah. Right. So automatically the uploaded details. So this consists of image and the details also. The below of the image we place the details, and then next press this finger on the fingerprint module and search S button. Right, automatically the page uploaded. So to erase that, press and hold. Both at a time actually. Yeah. Right, now the data got erased. So for enrolling purpose, press the button. Enrolling. Wait, it will display the ID number stored it. Yes, I control the contrast of the LCD display. Now search. Right. So for same for face also, but for face recognition it will take around 1 minute for database creation. So now the database deleted. For enrolling purpose, so this is the enroll button. Stand in front of the camera at eye level and you should have the more lighting on your face, then press this button. So now the system is enrolling, we can see that. So person 1, and now it start capturing the photos. So it will take around 45 samples. Then we need to place like different expressions on your face, and you can talk. So how many like samples with the different expressions captured, then the accuracy also will be more while recognition face. Right. So after that it will display the faces enrolled. Now so we can search that. Previously it was a 2 number, and now faces, mine was now become the 1. Yeah, right. Because I actually registered previously second phase. That's why the second image came. Now the both user ID for user 1 in the fingerprint module, person 1 in fingerprint module. So the thing is, while you are registering your fingerprints and faces, we should take care of the addressing also. Means person 1, this is a person 1 details. So we should register his details in the fingerprint and face recognition also.